Have you ever been prepping an offering strategy for buyers and trying to get the true picture of particular marketplace changes? There's a search for that. Have you ever been away for a few days and want to catch up on what happened in your absence? There's a search for that. Or need to pull some specific stats like what's gone under contract since the beginning of the month in your neighborhood? There's a search for that. Recently, the menu item By Status Change, found under the search menu under the heading Office or Agent, changed to a more explanatory title. It's now called History by Status Change, but the functionality remains the same. This search, as the title implies, allows you to search listing history by status changes. No fields are required on the search page, but like any MLS search, the more details you add to your criteria, the more your results will narrow. So let's say you're looking to find out what residential listings went under contract in your desired school district since the beginning of the month. To complete that search, simply pick your statuses, pick your property type, choose your school district and your time frame, either using the calendar or typing in the date range, then click Results, and you'll see listings that meet your criteria. Note that these results will reflect their current status. So like in our example, though I chose under contract and pending, I see other statuses, and that just lets me know that they were my selected status sometime during the time frame I chose. If you found this content useful, please give us a like on YouTube. Feel free to share this content with anyone who could use it, and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching.